For today's bracelet tutorial, we will make Daisy Beaded Bracelet. So, let's start! So, our materials for today are 11 seed beads. We have 3 colors: yellow, green, and ivory. 11 seed beads. Satin thread. You can use any brand of 0.20 millimeter of beading nylon thread or beading thread. And then we have also clasp, lobster clasp, and beading thread. So let's start. I will pick 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 seed beads, and insert also lobster, and I will pass the needle once again to make it more tough, and knot them. You can knot them 2 to 3 times. So I'll pass a needle here and go to the third on our middle 11 here. So I will pick 1 ivory, 1 green. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our exiting thread like this, and pass the needle here to ivory, to this ivory. The next is I will pick 1 ivory and 1 yellow and 1 ivory. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our exiting thread like this. So we're much more zoom like this, and then I will pass the needle here to this ivory 11, and the next is I will pick 5 ivory, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are exiting here. Now we'll pass the needle to this 11 and pull the thread like this, and then pass the needle to this green seed beads. So this is our first unit, and we will make the next unit. So I will pick 1 ivory and 1 green. So we are exiting here to this green, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our exiting thread like this, and then I will pass the needle here to this ivory one, and I will pick 1 ivory, 1 yellow, and 1 ivory. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this, and I will pass a needle here to this ivory one, and then I will pick 5 ivory. We will skip this yellow, and I will pass the needle to this ivory and green. So these 2 ivory and green. So pull the thread like this, and done. So I will make more unit I will pick one ivory and one green. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread to this green seed beads. So pull the thread like this and pass the needle to these ivory seed beads like this. So I will pick one ivory, one yellow, and one ivory. So we're exiting from here to this ivory one, and I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread, and then I will pass the needle here to this ivory one, and I will pick 5 ivory seed beads. So we are exiting here. We'll skip this yellow, and I will pass the needle to these two seed beads, to these 2 ivory, and then pull the thread and then pass the needle to this green one. So this is our tutorial for today, and I will make it more unit until we reach our 16 centimeter bracelet. So I'll be back. I'm back, and I made my bracelet for 16 centimeter. We don't measure our lobster. We measured our bracelet, and then we will make the loop. So I will pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm exiting here to this green one, and I will go back again and reinforce them once again. So reinforce them and knot them anywhere you want. So this is our project for today. I hope you like it, and I hope you like my videos and projects. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.